Hi, ears are very important to us. Visualize relaxing each part of the body. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in, release, breathe out. Put hands on ears. Press, relax. 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 Relax. So this is Master Teresa. If you like what I do, please like my video, comment, subscribe, share with friends, and check the web link below. And then join me and look forward to seeing you again soon. Thank you. Master Teresa, welcome you to Qigong. Qi is for you. You are Qi. If you want to be well, Qi is for you. If you want to be happy, Qi is for you. Animals love Qigong too. Bring the Qi down, let go negative Qi. Qigong is in Uganda. Visit Pureland Qigong online.